you're a true food lover, this rich, stretchy okra soup will have your taste bud dancing. Let me show you exactly how I made this Ila Alasepo the real way. I started by laying out all my ingredients: fresh okra, assorted meat, dry stockfish, iru, ogiri, palm oil, and my spices. Everything prepared and ready for flavor. First, I boiled the meat until tender. I used a mix of protein to build that deep, satisfying broth. Then I added my fish and stockfish in the pot. This brings that smoky, traditional taste we all love. Next came the real fun: iru, ogiri, seasoning cube, salt, some pepper. I let everything simmer for 15 minutes so that the flavor could fully come alive. Then I added my soaked in water grated okra. This is the magic that makes the soup draw and stretchy beautifully. I let it cook for 2 minutes, enough to soften it but keep its perfect texture. After that, I pour in oil and added crayfish to round out the taste with some nutty, rich depth. I let it all cook together for another 3 minutes. The oil blend in, aroma fills the air, and the okra soup is ready. And that is it, my Ila Alasepo, food of old Yoruba flavor, and perfect for any food lover who appreciates real homemade taste. Serve hot with favorite swallow and enjoy every single of it. Thank you for watching. I'm Chef Nisi, and I would like you to join this food community. Don't forget to give us a like. This is the only way to encourage my work. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Love you. Bye.